Hello everyone, my name is Shakti Dube. I am pursuing internship at Collab Genix. Today I am here to tell you about my experiences and learning that while pursuing this internship. inSAKE is a platform where we get different type of courses like communication skills course by which we can enhance our communication, personality development course and time management course, and different ratio analysis and fundamental analysis course. By doing this course, we have learned about how to analyze financial statement of a company, how to analyze the ratio, different type of ratio, how to find the different type of ratio of a company, and we have learned about mutual funds, what is mutual funds and their different types in first part of our internship. In second part of our internship, we have get live projects in which we have allotted 15 companies and we have to do their ratio analysis, their fundamental analysis. We have to find their ROCE ratio, we have to find their ROE ratio and different strength, weakness and threats of the company. In last, we have to analyze their balance sheet and find what is the difference in 3 years, and we have to get the industrial analysis of the company finally, and find a final report of the company, how to find ROE ratio and what is different returns per year in 3 years or 2 years. Company has provided how much returns in previous years. We have to find the returns of the company, and finally we have to industrial analysis how company is performing to other companies in their industry. I would like to thank Sneha ma'am, Sandeep sir for providing me this kind of opportunity. Thank you ma'am.